Hi, I wanted to do a live review of these two rose water products. One is from SVA Organics and the other is the Trader Joe brand. So I'm just going to go through each and tell you what I notice about both of them. Let's talk about the jars. So this one is you can hear it, glass jar, amber, so it's the darker, protected from the sun and the elements in the jar. It has a spray, a nice even spray. Let's look at the spray. So when I spray this, nice even spray, we'll get into the scent a little bit later. So for this one, plastic bottle, nice little sprayer. This one goes more of a funnel-like spray, and it's kind of a mist to go with it. Let's see if the misting happened with this one. This is more of a harder spray and mist, so this one comes out more forcefully. This one is more of a whew, like that, if you can get it with my words. All right, let's look at ingredients. So the Trader Joe one has water, rose, rose flower water, rose flower oil, witch hazel water, something I can't pronounce, saponaria bark extract, glycerin, then some kind of pinafile oil, something, and two other ingredients I can't pronounce, and then fragrance. So about 6 or 7 ingredients. Let me wipe the table because it just misted. I don't want to destroy my table. And then I'll look at the ingredients on here, the SVA one. So the ingredients on the SVA, where's the ingredients at? It says organic, pure rose water. That's it. That's listed on there. All right, let's get into this one. Says Trader Joe says Trader Joe, Morovia, California. I guess that's where it's packaged. And this one distributed by somewhere in Florida, but certified organic and origin India. All right, let's get into the scents of both of them. So when I smell this one, it smells like rose, and then on the end it has a question mark scent. So I smell the rose, and then there's a question like, what is that smell? Okay, so I can't identify that last scent that I smell. This one is a light rose scent, clearly distinguishable all the way through, light rose. Let's see. This one says organic. I don't see that this is organic. This one is advertised for Hydrate and Refresh. I know on the website, this one is advertised for a refresher, linen refresher, like your sheets, your pillows, which is a good thing to do. I usually use that one on my pillows because it doesn't say organic, and I don't want to really put it on my skin. This one is organic, and so I'm comfortable with spraying it on my face. Other uses for this one would be hair refresher. If you want to use it as a toner. This one had witch hazel. If you're familiar with witch hazel in a toner, this one did have that. This one didn't have witch hazel, but it's still advertised on the website as can use for a toner. The other thing is just a house aroma therapy refresher. You could also put this in your diffuser. Same, both of them. But so here's just the differences depending on what you're like and what you're looking for. This, I will tell you that when I purchased this, it was not as milky color as that, so don't get alarmed. I put a little bit of lavender in here because of that scent. I told you I sprayed it on the end. It was like a question mark scent. So I put a little lavender in this one so that I could smell something different at the end rather than that question mark. This one I didn't put any